Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy A36, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, you'll want to open up your settings and then navigate to General Management, scroll down and select Reset. Swipe all the way down, and at the bottom you'll find Factory Data Reset. When you click on it, it will present you with a list of data that will be removed by this process, which importantly includes things like photos, music, and basically all user data. If you have anything of that sort that you want to preserve, make a backup copy of it. Otherwise, this data will be deleted and this cannot be undone. Now, you can do this backup to the Samsung Cloud or using the Samsung software. Either on your computer or other device, but I will urge you against that, as using just their garbage software will force you to be locked into their ecosystem, meaning that if you make a backup of your personal data to your computer using their program, because their phones are just garbage and disconnect when you're making a backup, you can no longer access this backup on any other device that isn't Samsung, which kind of defeats the purpose of a backup done to your computer. So even if it's disconnecting, I urge you to just power through it, select just specific section of files and do it manually, and just know that everything copied over manually instead of using the program, which just works flawlessly. For some reason, connection then is rock solid, but when you're doing it manually, it will disconnect. So screw you, Samsung, for making this work that way, because it's deliberate. And yeah, now I have nothing here that I want to preserve, so I'm just gonna select Reset. I will also add, if you have a Samsung account signed in on the phone, which you probably do, it will force you to sign out of it before you can select Delete All. And additionally, if you have some kind of screen lock, you do need to confirm that as well. But again, I don't have either one of those, so I can just select Delete All right away, and it just jumps straight into doing so. Now, the actual reset process will take a couple of minutes to finish up, and once it's completed, we'll be presented with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished, and you can set up your device however you like. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.